What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna do a quick video here on this 2022 Camry on how to replace the wiper blades. I know there's a lot of videos that shows how to replace the inserts, but I didn't even know these had inserts. But this is the one that I get for this car. I have a 2022 and a 23. I think this driver side is 26, size 26. Passenger side is size 20. So these bring a couple of little adapters inside. I'm going to show you real quick. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but there's a bunch of different other ones that I've used in the past, but not for this car. Come on, guys. I don't want to get out. I'm standing on the side. So if you see the different type of inserts that they have, got different inserts here, but this one that it comes with is the right size insert. So see, I got the screwdriver. So on these cars, you wanna start the car. Then I'm not gonna do it because it's already set, but you want to start the car. When you turn it off, you're gonna hold the wiper blade thingy up, and the wipers is gonna go up to whatever setting you see it right now. And if not, when you try to pull it up the traditional way, it's gonna hit here. It won't let you lift it up all the way like this. So turn on the car, shut it off, hold the wiper thingy up, and it's going to go to this position here. And then what you do is you take a little screwdriver or whatever you have under here. Some people could do it by hand, but it's a little bit hard. I'm not gonna do that. Lift it up and then pull down. I'm gonna let it go back down to there. And then this is the new one here. Let me just open this up real quick. Alright, hopefully, there you go. It comes already with the same setting as this car. So put a rag there. You don't want to scratch your windshield. That'll be a big mistake. So same way here, push it, put it in. Okay, it's gonna be weird because this piece right here rotates. So just gotta get this piece in there right. There you go. Lift it up. Gotta go up more. There you go. And then just take out this yellow strip that comes with it. There you go. I get these at Ollie's. I've always tried those expensive ones, but believe me, they last just as much as the cheap ones. These are $7.99. I've gotten the $15 ones, I've gotten the $20 ones. They're all shitty. They all go bad roughly about the same time every couple months here in Florida. So I'm gonna just keep these original ones, maybe order the inserts for next time depending on how much they cost. But these, like I tell you, these work just as good. It's the ones I always buy. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps anybody out trying to change their wiper blades. I think from 2018 to 2023 here, and some other Toyota models too. I think the minivan and the Prius is the same thing. Peace, guys.